Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Charles Schwab Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in www.schwab.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear with various account options. Select bank accounts from the list. You will be redirected to the Schwab Bank login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you are a first-time user, look for the Enroll button to create an account. In the username field, enter your Schwab Bank username. Next, type your password into the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to save your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once you have confirmed the information, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Schwab Bank account. In case you forget your username or password, use the Forgot Username Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your information. Once logged in, you can access your account details and manage your banking needs. Explore the various features available to make the most of your online banking experience. Make sure to log out when finished for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.